Welcome back, guys, to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be looking at the most expensive parts for PC part picker. So yeah, let's get right into it. Starting with our CPU, it is a Intel Xeon 3 E5 2.6 gigahertz 14 core for $5,588.11. CPU cooler, water cooled, $619.99. Thermal compound, you don't need thermal compound, but it's for $219.12. But if you do want to put more on your CPU after it gets older, or on your liquid GPU cooler or your graphics card, you could always do it. For a motherboard, it is Asus X99E ATX motherboard for $1,593.63. Our memory / RAM, 64 gigabytes, clocked at 24 megahertz for DDR4, $2,246. Our HDD, our hard drive, 72 RPM, for $1,549.99. Our SSD, 7.68 terabytes for $6,399.90. Our video card is a PNY Quattro GV100 32 gigabyte video card for over $10,000. Our case comes with a power supply, a 1065 watt power, and the case for $2,637.80, which just with this money alone, you could, if you take out this right here, if you take out the thermal compound, this operating system, the software, you can literally build a pretty good computer. Yeah. Operating system, Windows 10 Pro, 32, 64-bit, $193.53, and our software is Microsoft Project Standard 2019 software for $599.99. Which, if you're spending $600 on software, I would advise not getting this and get, if you need Word and all that, you could always get it. That 365-day subscription. Plus, you can get some editing videos, like video software and picture software. You could get virus protection on your PC for the price of this, probably even cheaper, of $600. Our sound card is an Asus Strix 24-bit for $379.99. Our wired network adapter, D-Link something or other, $721.28. Our case fan, which only comes with 3, is $226.04. Our monitor, that's a 4K 64-inch and a half. That's like the size of a big screen TV. At that point, you don't even need to put it on your desk. You put it on a literal stand or hang it to the wall for $8,519.73. Our keyboard, slim, $3,807.33. Mouse, Razer DeathAdder World of Tanks wired optical mouse for $500. Headphones, Final Audio Design D8000 headphones for $3,799.00, which they should name this D3799. This webcam, $216.99. And before you look at the total here, all of these stuff are compatible, and it makes the most logical sense, because if you get this where the monitor, you're not going to get speakers to plug into your computer so you can get sound, because your monitor already has sound. So what's the point of doing that? So I'm just doing what makes logical sense, except for every single part that's super expensive. Like, none of this is justifiable to purchase. And here's our total. $50,378.45. You're spending over 50 grand on a computer that I could probably build. Like, I could probably build a computer that's pretty decent for $2,500. Think of that. Like, a really good computer. Like, you could literally... This Intel Xeon E5 20 whatever it is, for $5,811. Do you know what you could do? You could choose a CPU. Oh, I need to get rid of that motherboard then. Choose a CPU. Choose a Ryzen 9. Look, a AMD Ryzen 9 of 5950X for 16 cores, which is more cores, higher clock rate. It can boost clock, and it's like, if that what was that, over 5 grand? That's like a 1/5 of the price, and you're getting more performance. So it makes no sense. Wait, this was... No, how much was it actually? Yeah, over 5 grand. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Would you ever build this if you had the money? Or no? Alright, see you guys next time, and goodbye.